Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Ken in Illinois on the RCI 2995 DXHP. Ken got you ready to go, man. Full Truckerized package, power supply beefed up, clarifier mod. Got your high cut filter and amp switch right back here. The talkback is not included in the Truckerized package, but you added that and also the echo. Okay. Beefed this joker up. She's ready to go. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. And let me turn the stupid top back off. 5 watts all the way down. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 130. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 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 hello. 300 watts. Back to the 250 watt scale. Hello, audio. There's your 130 again. All right, Ken, we'll get it out to you, man. I definitely appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got Wise, I got Truckerized. Bum bum.